Okay, so this video is going to be talking about if you're a business owner and you're actually preparing to sell, just some of the steps you may want to consider when you're doing that, because it's not just the straightforward of putting it out there like you would on eBay and selling your business. There's a little bit more to it than that. So I'm Gareth Shears and I'm a chartered financial planner and one of the co-founders of Sanctuary Financial Planning. And I've been doing this job for 15 years. So now we're going to move on to talk about the 6 steps to be aware of when selling your business.
What happens to my assets when you're attracting them? In short.
So you're thinking about selling a business. It's often actually a difficult decision that comes with challenges. As well as the practical challenges, there are likely to be emotional ones too. After all, it's your business that you spent countless hours, years, months, weeks building up to this point. And setting out the steps you need to take as you prepare to hand over a business can help you stay focused and actually increase the value. So what essential actions should you be considering? Timing the sale. Deciding that you'd like to sell a business is just the first step. And the first question to ask is when? Now, depending on the nature of your business, there may be a natural high point each year. If your business is seasonal, for example. Now, as a result, timing could affect the number of interested parties and offers you actually receive. It's also worth looking at what's happening on the wider scale within your industry too. Getting the financials in order. It should come as no surprise that potential buyers will be keen to delve into the financial side of the business. Now make sure your profit and loss accounts, balance sheets and future projections are up to standard. Ensuring they're as detailed as possible can help the buying process go through less painful and a little bit quicker. Organise the paperwork. It's not just the accounts and the balance sheets potential buyers will want to see. Keeping other paperwork such as contracts, insurances, organised and readily accessible when needed is just as important. Now, anything that helps the potential buyers get an overview of your business and why they should be interested can be hugely useful. Creating a how-to manual. You might know how your business runs inside out, but even those familiar with the industry could find your processes very different. A how-to guide that sets out how to keep things running smoothly can be invaluable for potential buyers. Detailing how everything works is also an excellent opportunity to consider if you've been working as efficiently as possible. Now, looking at how your firm operates from another perspective could highlight where you can streamline and improve. Considering potential buyers. Do you know who might actually be interested in buying your business? Defining the buyer gives you the opportunity to organise the paperwork and market the sale in a way that appeals to them. A buyer might be a competitor, business expanding into new sectors, or an entrepreneur that wants to head start, for instance. Now, these different buyers would all be looking for something different within your business. So taking some time to think about who your business is likely to appeal to can speed up the process. Take a step back. Up to when you start to consider selling your business, you've probably put an enormous amount of time, work, effort and expertise into your business. Now, however, if you're a key asset to the success of the business, it could actually hinder the sale. If that business can't function without you for a couple of days, you need to be looking at options. After all, a buyer isn't going to want to purchase a firm that isn't going to be profitable once you hand over the reins. So you need to take a step back and demonstrate that the business can still run as efficiently when you're not there. And planning for the next stage of your life. When you're selling a business, it's often the case that business owners focus on this. but planning for your own future is just as important. Taking time to define what you want and to achieve after the sale of your business and the lifestyle desired can mean making the decisions that are right for you. Now, by starting with aspirations after selling your business, you can build a picture of how much money you will actually need to achieve this. And that will help you get to the figure that you potentially want to sell for. As a result, taking this step as you prepare to sell can help you reconcile the figure of how much your business is worth. It can help you understand what's realistic and help you with informed decisions. Now, you may decide to accept a lower offer than your original valuation. For instance, knowing that it's enough to fund the aspirations, rather than hold out for a higher price that could take months to come, if even at all. If you're in the process of selling a business and want to understand how it'll affect your financial future, please get in touch with us, because we can use some wonderful software called financial forecasting to help you get to that magical number. Our goal is to give you confidence as you embark on the next journey, whether you plan to kick back in retirement or embrace entrepreneurial opportunities again. We've got you covered for all those things.